Hello, welcome back to Realistic DIYers.
I'm Joris.
And I'm Kat. Thanks for joining us on another review of Bosch tools. The fun today is going to be with some drills. And then we're going to have a bit of fun doing a comparison for you through a demonstration. We're going to play with something a little bit more high end, a little bit more low end. We're going to test it on softwood, hardwood, and we're even going to go as far as some brick work as well. So stick around to see the demonstrations.
So in this video we're reviewing this drill here, which is the 18V60. Now we wanted to compare it with a simpler version that doesn't include the 60, which is 60 torque. It's a torque of 32, if I'm not wrong, 34. But we have the equivalent, an older version, which we bought from eBay just because it had two batteries in the case.
So we got it for the two batteries in the case and...
it works great. So we are going to compare it with this, which is the equivalent of the universal Combi drill 18V, but not 60. And then we're going to compare it with a top of the line
professional
DeWalt drill that we got from my friend Daniel, and we thank him for this. And then we're going to compare it
with mine.
So this is a 25 quid...
24, thank you. 24 pounds.
24 pounds drill from Amazon. It doesn't exist anymore, but we're going to compare it. It doesn't have an impact function, but it's drilling things. So
Mom, Dad and baby.
So we are going to compare these with some softwood, some hardwood, and some brick.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Let's get going.
Before we go into the test, have a look here at the specifications. See the similarities between the two columns. You'll see first is the PSB 1800 we use in the video, and you'll see the second along is the replacement for that now on the market, the Universal Impact 18V. We don't have it yet. They are quite equal in specifications, as you can see. Now have a look at how their power compares to the next two along. See how the Bosch 18V60 sits up there next to a professional's tool, yet it is still from the DIY range. Look at the load speed, the torque power, the impact rate, the drill chuck diameter, all comparable and above level to the others on the table. Look far right at the cheap baby. We did want to show you how little power it has and how well it does, just to show you how powerful a 60 Newton meter could be. And now let's test them.
For this review, we're going to use threaded Spax screws, 75mm by 5mm. So let's go. So first of all, let's try it with this small driller that Kat bought a few years ago. Let's see how it does. So full torque.
Did you see it?
Yeah, it runs all the way. So highest setting, let's see what this is doing. Oops. Just because this screw went all the way in, I want to test it again. Because it's not supposed to be so powerful. Maybe this was a hollow wood here. I'll do it once more. drive this one more. It's pretty powerful.
All right, here we go with some good old English beech. Here's the hardwood. Ooh, my baby. Let's see how far we get. All right, here we go.
Pause. Quick note. With any drill, full torque power is achieved through the drill setting. As you just noticed, this small drill managed a couple of centimetres on the screw setting. Now I will apply the drill setting, which will deliver all of its power, 25 Newton meters. Watch the result and just think what 60 Newton meters could apply.
Find a little bit more. All the way. Here we go. Push the motor look.
Ooh.
I broke the head.
Oh no! You did?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we can't do that.
Oh, it's broken in!
Yeah, I broke the head.
Hello! What? Okay, that's a lot.
It smells alright. That's for the video.
Wow. So from now on, we're not going to use this setting, the full torque setting. We're gonna go with the safe torque setting, just because we broke the head.
You didn't. Did you?
No, it bends. That was it.
So you can see we're at the next level. Sorry if I'm shouting. So we do have our protective wear. Let's try the brick. Ready? I really can do that now.
Oh, that was not a good idea. So there you have it. We tested it. We went too far away with the drilling process, especially on the hardwood.
Did it surprise anybody else?
It did surprise us. So we thought, this is an old version, and it's supposed to be like 32, 34 Newton meters, and this 60 Newton meters. But it did perform quite well, actually. I was shocked from it. But when it came to the brick, this one drilled it faster, and it seemed more smooth than this one. I think
it was really nice to see it competing with the higher end, and we weren't getting disappointed as well. So.
The truth is that it did pretty much as the DeWalt. Price-wise, I'm not sure if they have a big difference between these two. The difference is that if you have these batteries, or these batteries, then if you want to buy different tools like circular saws, or, you know, CSDS, or all kinds of other tools that are battery-powered, then definitely the DeWalt is usually much more expensive than the Bosch DIY Dreamline. All in all, though, I think it's a great drill for someone to have.
So if these insightful reviews are really helping you to choose those universal tools, the one buy for every job in the house, remember we've done the circular saw, the link is below, and today we've done the universal impact drill. Please like, bell, subscribe, all, so we can continue helping you on your DIY journey. Thanks for watching Realistic DIYers. We'll be back soon.